Want to start a real business using AI, even if you've got no experience? In this video, I'll show you 7 profitable AI-powered business ideas you can start today with almost zero upfront cost. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI-generated scripts, voices, and videos. Use tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Pictory AI to create viral videos in any niche. You can monetize your channel by including ad revenue, affiliate links, and digital product promotions. Launch a blog with AI-written content. Use ChatGPT for articles and Perplexity AI for research. Monetize with affiliate links to software, products, or courses. Offer AI-powered content to clients as a service. Use tools like Jasper, Canva, and ChatGPT to create full Instagram or TikTok strategies. Here's a tip for you: package it as a monthly service for $300 to $2,000 per client. Use ChatGPT to outline, write, and script a full digital course or ebook in days. Design slides with Tome AI or Canva, then sell it with Gumroad or Teachable. Create and sell custom AI chatbots to businesses. Use tools like ManyChat or BotPress and market to local service providers. Here's your angle: convert more leads while you sleep. Use AI to help job seekers with resumes, LinkedIn bios, and cover letters. Offer packages on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Use platforms like Zapier and Make.com to build custom automations for businesses. Package and sell it as a monthly service, no coding required. There's never been a better time to launch your own business using AI. Comment below which one you'd try first, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI money hacks every week.